So I just turned on the car, and not what I wanted today, but the check brake light is on for the left rear. This is an easy fix for the do-it-yourselfer. So headlights and high beam lights, sometimes they're a little trickier to get to, but brake lights and reverse lights in the back, they're pretty accessible on most vehicles. So you can definitely tackle this on your own. I'll show you how to do it here. And because every vehicle is slightly different, you need a certain model number. So I drive a 2020 Hyundai Palisade, so we need a specific bulb, and let's go see what we need. You can do a quick search online by your make and model of vehicle, and you can probably find the kind of bulb that you need. When you go into the stores, like a Canadian Tire or AutoZone or whatever it happens to be, they used to have books that would have all of the model numbers, or now they've got touch screens, so it's pretty easy to find what you need. So I already knew what kind of bulb I needed. I needed a 2357, but even on the pad here, I just searched by my vehicle and the kind of bulb that I needed, and it says it's brake light bulb. So 2357 is the kind I need. So this is the light in question, and when you look at the Palisade, up here is your running light, your brake light, your reverse light. So this is the one here that I've got to replace. And if you look at the little caps here, I pop this one off here. So in this case, you need a Phillips head screwdriver. There's two of them here. So we're just gonna pop those off and unscrew them, and that will loosen up this whole light fixture to come out. So the whole light unit pops out here, and it's connected by a couple of tabs at the top there, some nipples sort of in the middle that sort of plug in, and then another one down at the bottom. But if you gently pull out on this, it should pop off pretty easily. Let's give it a try. So you can see here, if I pull, it starts to separate a little bit, and I'm going to gently pull at the side here and kind of pop it off. So super light, just my fingertips were able to kind of pull this out here, and then there we've got our light unit here, and really easy access to get these out. So there's our lights here, and then the one that I need to fix is right in here. It's a twist lock, so you just twist it and out will come the light. So simple lock, I just twisted it here, and then it's a pretty easy replacement. Just grab the bulbs that you have, swap them out, you should be good to go. Super easy swap out. Now that new one's back in, plug it back in, lock it in place. So I just snapped it back into place. Again, it goes in super easily. Then just take your screws again and put them back in, close the caps, and we should be good. And there we go. Bada boom, bada bing. The light works, and we're ready to go. So the nice thing about that is it cost me $9 for two bulbs. I've got another one in case another one goes out at some point. An easy fix that you can do by yourself. Saves having someone else do it and you having to pay for it. All right, that's it.